Assalamu alaikum students, good morning and welcome back. Okay, now we will start copy work. Before starting your work, you have to make a nice title page. You will write chapter number, chapter name, then you will start your work from the next page. Question number 1 is, what human rights do we expect today? The answer of this question is, today we all expect certain human rights. We expect not to be robbed or attacked, or if we are, expect those who did it to be punished. Point number 2 is, we expect to be able to get education and to get good jobs. We expect to be able to think and speak what we like as long as it does not harm our society. We expect to be able to live where we like. Point number 5 is, if we are suspected of doing something against the laws of the land, we expect to have a fair and open trial. Question number 2 is, why do you think is it necessary to respect the wishes of the people? The answer of this question is, it is necessary to respect the wishes of the people, their rights about the life, freedom, food, shelter and education. Because if their wishes and rights are fulfilled, they will be motivated to obey the rules and fulfill the duties and responsibilities of the country. Question number 3 is, do you think the ideas of Plato and Socrates would be acceptable in the modern world? Yes, the idea of Plato that the education for both boys and girls was secret to development. The most intelligent ones would run the country, and as Socrates compelled people to think about life, values, rights, and responsibilities would be acceptable in the modern world. Now come to question number 4. Do you agree with views of Confucius? Is it possible to have such a state today? Yes, I agree with this philosophy that state should run as a large family, but it's not possible to have such a state today. Okay, how many questions we have done for chapter human rights? 4 questions we have done. Okay, now come to the next page. You will write fill in the blanks. Okay. Fill in the blanks. You will write fill in the blanks with the black pen and with the bold letters, and you will write the complete sentence with the blue ink pen, except the highlighted word. In ancient women and men slaves had no rights. Greece. The Egyptian king, the who lived before the and फ़राओस आप लोग को मैंने पहले ही बताया था किसको कहते हैं, फ़िरौन्स को कहते हैं. रोमन एंड ग्रीक. इज़ द फेमस प्रॉफिट हु इज़ रिवर्ड बाय ज्यूज. हज़रत मूसा अलैहि सलाम. वॉज द ग्रीक फिलोसोफर हु सेट अप कॉलेज. प्लेटो एक ग्रीक फिलोसोफर थे जिन्होंने एक कॉलेज बनाया जिसका नाम रखा था द एकेडमी. The last blank is, the last prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam elaborates on human rights. Okay, so here we have done fill in the blanks and question answers also. After completing question answer and blanks, you will write chapter number, chapter name, date on index column. Okay, and we have done 5 chapters for final term. ठीक है, you can check on round 9 or round 10. How many chapters we have done? 5 chapters. The chapter numbers are chapter 6, 12, 5, 16, and this is chapter 20. Okay, 5, 6, 12, 16, 20. We have done these 5 chapters. Okay, so after completing this chapter, you have to learn question answers and fill in the blanks. Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.